I'm here today at Cofton Park for the 20th anniversary of the Pride of Longbridge car show. The Pride of Longbridge started in 2006 to commemorate its rich history of over 100 years of car production at the Longbridge car factory. But before I start showing you the beautiful cars that are on display today, let's have a brief and hopefully interesting history lesson. Herbert Austin founded the Austin Motor Company in 1905, and in 1906 the Austin 2530 and the 1824 became the first models. But in 1922 the Austin 7 production started, and this became known as the People's Car because it brought cars within reach of the British people. But soon after, we got into the World War I and World War II eras, and Austin played a huge role during both wars by producing artillery shells and forming the Austin Aero Company, which built planes like the Hawker Hurricane. Post-wars, it was back to cars, and maybe to the most famous one of all, because in the 1960s, the original Mini was being made. Fast forward, and in the 80s, it was cars like the Metro, the Maestro, and the Montego. The 90s was the Rover era, which included the 200, the 400 and many more. Sadly, after 100 years of car production at Longbridge, this was all coming to an end. Fittingly, the final car off of the production line was a Rover 75 Connoisseur. But there's still a lot of pride in Longbridge for their car manufacturing, so let's get back to the show and let's see some of those amazing cars.